So hello guys, this is your programming guru. This is our lecture number 15 and today we are going to learn string, how to write a string in C language. Basically, the code for it is this line. For that we write char, which means character, and char is its short form, and after that we write its name, that is you can give any name whichever you like, and after that comes its size. If you do not mention its size in this square brackets, then char will take only single character from you, and if you try to write the whole word like this, like over here I have used the word forum, then it will only take the first letter, that is F, only single letter. But when you mention a whole size, then it will take it as a string, like over here it takes it as a string. Now, how does the compiler understand it as a string? So for that, what it does is basically it's in hard disk it stores in this form FORUM, and at the end it adds n/0 at the end automatically. What is the meaning of the /0? Basically, compile understand it as at when it reads /0, it understand it as a complete string. That string is now completed. That's the meaning of this /0. Now, let's see some basic things, that is modulo p, which is used to print address. I will be showing you a sample code for this, so I'm just simply showing you this basic things. Then comes modulo u, to have unsigned integer. Unsigned means only positive integer. After that comes a second way to write string. You can also write string in this form, wherein I have used forum, and after that I have used this underscore and at the Kothari, means the underlined part means that the string terminates at that place. In this form, when you write in this way, compiler will not add /0, but it will understand it as over here string is now ending when you have used such kind of underscore. Let's see a sample code. For that I have used integer main, and after that character name I have given its size as 10, and second as integer I equals to 0. After that I have taken an input from the user, that is any string, using printf and scanf, which I already taught you in previous videos. After that I have used while loop. While name of I not equals to /0 means till the compiler does not read /0, till then this while loop should be executed. What should be done? That is printf modulo c is stored at modulo u. When you use the small u, this is basically used to give you the address of any letter, that is where this, like for example O is stored in hard disk, it gives you location, right? This modulo u, small u, right? After that I have simply given I++, so that value of I increases by 1 when while loop executes each and every time. Let's see its output. When I enter the string as any name, that is Bhavya, so it gave me this thing. D is stored at, see, last two letters at 22, H is stored at 23, A is stored at 24, V is stored at 25, Y is stored as 26, A is stored at 27 in consecutive manner, right? In this way it is stored. Now, how you can understand it, that which letter is stored at which position? So for that, F is stored at 0 position, O is stored at 1 first position, R as at 2, U at 3, M at 4. In this way, a string a letter in a string basically is given its position so that you can understand it, and if you want to use it you can also use it. In my next video I am going to teach you string functions, but before that I want you guys to please like, share and subscribe to my channel Programming Guru. Hope you will watch my next video. Please do not forget, again I am telling, like, share and subscribe to my channel Programming Guru, and I want you all guys to practice this question example so that you can understand this thing in a better way. Let's meet in next video. Thank you guys.